Guys, welcome to my vlog and ang content nga pala ng vlog ko ngayon ay ang mga gurus and ang contribution nila sa quality. So, ang napili ko si William Edwards Deming at saka si Dr. Joseph Joran. So, mag-upasa muna tayo kay Dr. William Edwards Deming. Edwards Deming contribution to quality. 7 deadly diseases. First, lack of constancy of purpose, emphasis in short-term graphics, evaluation by performance, merit rating or annual review performance, poor mobility of management, 5. Running a company and visible figures alone, 6. Excessive medical costs, 7. Excessive cost of a warranty fuel for lawyers over for contingency fees. Here Deming describes the main barriers faced by management to improving effectiveness and continual improvement. He was referring here to US industry and their management practices. Deming said that effective management and a commitment to quality were needed to combat these 7 deadly diseases. He emphasized the importance of communicating quality messages to all staff and building a belief in total quality management. The relevance of these principles to a wider general management application has contributed to Deming's status as a founder of the quality management, not just quality and process control. Deming's system of profound knowledge. Appreciation for a system. A system is a set of functions or activities within an organization that work together for the aim of the organization. Components must work together. Management must optimize the system. Every system must have a purpose. Understanding variation. Knowledge and understanding of variation, process capability, control charts, interaction, and loss functions. 3. Theory of knowledge. Knowledge is not possible without theory. Theory shows a cause and effect of a relationship that can be used for prediction. Knowledge of psychology. Sincere trust and belief in people. Understanding of how people work in system. People are motivated intrinsically and extrinsically because intrinsic motivation is the most powerful. Managers should develop pride and joy in work. PDCA cycle or the Deming cycle. Walter Sheward originated the concept of the PDCA and introduced it to Deming. Deming promoted the idea widely in the 1950s and it became known as the Deming Wheel or the Deming Cycle. The PDCA plan, do, check, and act consists of 4 stages or steps. First is the plan. It answers the question, how should it be? Plan a change to the process, predict the effect this change will have, and plan how the effects will be measured. Next is do. It answers the question, what do we do and how? Implement the change on a small scale and measure the effects. Is check. It answers the question, what has been achieved? Study the results to learn what effects the change had, if any. Is the act. It answers the question, what is still to be done? Adapt the change as a permanent modification to the process or abandon it. Deming's 14 points for management. Number 1. Create a constancy of purpose and continual improvement. The company must plan for future run. They should predict for future challenges to reach their goal. Number 2. Do not live with delays and mistakes. Put your customers first and don't make them wait. And they should prepare for mistakes to avoid it. 3. Cease dependence in mass inspection to quality. Stop the mass inspection to quality because it is costly and unreliable, and they don't improve quality. 4. End the practice of awarding business on the basis of price tag. The suppliers shouldn't compete for your business based on price alone. Encourage them to spend improving your own quality. Improve constantly and forever the system of production and service to improve quality and productivity and thus constantly decrease costs. Continuously improve their system and processes. Use the plan, do, check, and act to process analysis and improvement. Institute training on the job. Encourage staff to learn from one another and provide a culture and environment for effective teamwork. Institute leadership. Emphasize the importance of participative management and transformational leadership to figure out what each person actually needs. Drive output so that people Work effectively for the company. Allow people to perform at their best by ensuring that they're not afraid to express ideas or concerns. 9. Break down barriers between departments. Use cross-functional teamwork to focus on collaboration of each department. Eliminate slogans, expectations, and targets for the workforce, asking for zero defects and low levels of productivity. The message should be clear and don't make them guess. Don't let words and nice-sounding phrases replace effective leadership. 7. Eliminate numerical quotas. Look at how the process is carried out, not just numerical targets. Remove barriers to worker satisfaction. Treat workers the same and don't make them compete with other workers for monetary or other rewards. Institute a vigorous program of education and self-improvement. Encourage people to learn new skills to prepare for future challenges and changes. Put everybody in the company to work to accomplish the transformation. Improve your overall organization by having each person take a step toward quality.